So right now I'm shooting in 1080 HD and 60 frames per second. Kids are having fun, and we're going to see how well it does. There's no water case on this. If you do want a water case, I'll link one in the description down below. I'll link this camera down below. I'll link the SD card that I'm using down below that I recommend. But yeah, I think we're going to see what this new camera can do. Okay, let's see how this thing does underwater. I'll take off this hat and we'll leave the glasses on. There it goes. 1, 2, 3. To test out the stabilization of this thing to see how well it performs whenever I'm just walking. So I got it held on to some, not really a gimbal, but one of those Joby bendy tripod mounts, and I'm holding it and I'm just walking right now to see, is it shaky? Does it hold pretty steady? With every new GoPro release, they always upgrade the stabilization on it to make it look a little bit better. So I'm always interested to see every year, from year to year, how well they improve on that aspect of these cameras. Alright, well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If you like it and if it was helpful to you, throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back on my. Until then, go out there and be cool.